Welcome to Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. Today we are going to do a test shot on a Gaggia Classic. This came in with no flow from the group head. I'm going to do it backwards and test the steam first. You see nice strong steam, and I will temper down by adding water to the tank. Turn it off. There we go. And you can see the flow from the group. We'll turn that down. Get some coffee for our test shot. Once again, a nice strong flow. This machine also came in without its exhaust pipe for the three-way valve. There you go, nice crema. Milk over. Thank you for repairing with Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. Please like this video, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our page.